Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Apex Classes, and today we will discuss question on regression coefficients. And the question is, if acute angle between the two regression lines is theta, then the four options are given and we have to select the correct option. So for doing this, first of all we will use the relation tan theta is equal to 1 minus r square upon r whole multiplied by sigma x into sigma y whole upon sigma x square plus sigma y square. This is the relation between tan theta and r. R means regression coefficient. Now as you see that the formula is very big but the options are given is very small, which means we have to use two more relations. Number one is, if r is equal to 0, this implies theta will be 90 degree, which means the lines will be perpendicular. And second relation is, if r is equal to plus minus 1, this implies theta will be 0 degree. And again we also know that the value of r should never exceed from minus 1 and 1. This is the range of r, that it should be between minus 1 and 1. Now the four options are given is sin theta and tan theta. Basically there are two options only, one is sin theta, one is tan theta, and the inequality changes whether it is greater than or whether it is less than. So first of all we will solve this by elimination method. So first of all we will use, if tan theta is equal to 1 minus r square, suppose. So LHS is tan theta. If we put theta is equal to 90 degree, so LHS will be equal to how much? LHS will be equal to 1090. 1090 is 1 upon 0 means infinite. And on the RHS we have 1 minus r square. And as I have told you that if theta is equal to 90 degree, if theta is 90 degree, then value of r is 0. RHS is equal to 1 minus 0, that means 1. Now as you see this, LHS is infinite but RHS is 1, which means this relation is not true, this is false. Now if tan theta is equal to 1 minus r square is not the solution, which means these two options are eliminated. Now we have only two options. Number one, sin theta greater than equal to 1 minus r square, or option C, sin theta less than equal to 1 minus r square. So again we will write sin theta is equal to 1 minus r square, and LHS is equal to sin theta, which means if theta is equal to 90 degree, then LHS will be equal to, because sin 90 is 1, LHS is 1, and on the RHS we have 1 minus r square. And I have told you if theta is equal to 90 degree, that means r is equal to 0. So on the RHS we will get 1 minus 0, that is 1. So which means this relation is correct. This is the correct relation, but the options are given is less than or greater than. So for this we have to use another relation, that sin theta lies between 1 and minus 1, which means the maximum value of sin theta can be 1. It can never exceed value 1. And also the value of r, which I have told you, is that the value of r varies between minus 1 and 1. Now if I put on the LHS sin theta, if I put on the LHS value, on the RHS maximum value of sin theta will be 1, and if LHS will be maximum value 1, so RHS should also be maximum value 1, which means 1 minus r square should be equal to maximum, and this will be maximum if r equal to 0, that means 1. Now from this relation what we get is that 1 minus r square can never be greater than 1, which means 1 minus r square is less than equal to 1, because the value of r is given, whether it is minus 0 or plus 1 or 0. So it will always be less than 1. So if the right hand side is always less than 1, which means the left hand side will also be equal to less than 1. So therefore the option will be sin theta should be less than equal to 1 minus r square. This will be the answer. So the option number C, sin theta always less than equal to 1 minus r square is the answer. So option C is the answer. So if you like my videos, please share and subscribe with your friends. Thank you.